What's going on, winners? My name is Joey Winning from Winning Tints, and today we have a 2025 Toyota Corolla Gr. That's right, guys, this thing comes with 300 horsepower and is just shy of $50,000. By far the coolest Corolla you're ever gonna see. Now, if you couldn't tell, this car already has tint. Today we're gonna be PPFing, or better known as paint protection film, to this carbon fiber roof. But first, let's take a quick look around and see what makes this Corolla so special, at least here inside the shop in a safe environment, because I bet driving this thing on the road speaks volumes to its driving capacity. One of the first things I noticed on this vehicle is the wide body, the triple exhaust. The interior is nice, it's a little plain. It kind of reminds me of a Corolla, I'm not gonna lie to you. Except for the fact that this Corolla is from Gazoo Racing. Now, in 2007, the founder of Toyota, which is Kiichiro Toyota, decided that they wanted to go back to their roots in the sports racing world, and it was all inspired by his grandson. But unfortunately, the board of Toyota just didn't agree with these personal endeavors. So the board felt that it was a personal goal, it wasn't in the best interest of the company. This was a similar story like Mercedes-Benz AMG, BMW M Series cars, and even Honda Civic SIs, which literally stands for Sport Injected. Now, the vehicle that competes with our 2025 Corolla Gr is gonna be the 2025 Volkswagen Golf R. Now, we already had one of these come through to one of our New Jersey locations, and it already climbs ahead of the Corolla with 328 horsepower and its MSRP of $48,325, which is still under 50 grand and only a couple of dollars more than the Corolla. And it's equipped with better feeling components and more modern touches to the technology. So even though Toyota Gr doesn't have the history like some of the other brands, it's showing that it's a force to be reckoned with, and it's making its history now. Going back to the paint protection film installation, we gotta make sure that this car is washed thoroughly. We wanna get rid of all the impurities, and there are no exceptions to this step. Now that we have a squeaky clean Corolla Gr, I wanna mention the water that we use to clean these cars for PPF. This water filtration system actually removes all the minerals from the water. So essentially, you could let it sit and dry on the car and it wouldn't leave a watermark. We don't have time to do all that, but it is purified the way that we need it to be. Now that we've finished with the Corolla, it has the look and it has the protection deserved of a forged carbon fiber roof. A lot of people wouldn't even think or expect that to come from Toyota, but this Gr Corolla is not playing any games, and we are here for it. If you're in the market for tints, wraps, PPF, or even powder coating your rims, make sure to check us out at winningtints.com to schedule an appointment today, or give any one of our shops a call throughout the United States to get your vehicle right. We have been in business for 20 years and have been handling some of the most sought after vehicles with nothing but customer satisfaction in mind. As always, my name is Joey Winning. Thank you for watching, and remember to always stay winning.
Oh my God, this is winning.